So now I will show you how to do a factory network unlock. In my opinion, this is the most valuable way to unlock your phone, and once you have an unlocked phone, you will be able to resell it at a higher price, and your phone will be compatible worldwide with all carriers. The first thing we have to do is to disable Find My iPhone, so simply go to Settings, scroll down where it says iCloud, and scroll all the way down where it says Find My iPhone. Make sure it is completely off, so you can turn it back on once your iPhone has been unlocked successfully. Alright, so then we have to get the IMEI number. Simply open your dial pad and type *#06#. So as you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear. You can also find this number on the back part of the box of your phone or also in the SIM card tray. Alright, so this is by far the most important part of the whole unlocking process. Now keep this number somewhere close as we will need it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Alright, so now we're gonna use the computer. iTunes saying congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. Boom, there you go guys, your phone is now fully factory unlocked and now it's compatible worldwide with all carriers. You should get a full signal on your new carrier. And that's it guys, that's how we unlock an iPhone 7. That's all for today guys. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll try to help you as soon as I can. By the way guys, we're also giving away a free iPhone 7, completely sealed, brand new phone. You can find the instructions on how to enter the giveaway in the next video. Thanks for watching guys, take care.
Hey guys, so I just got back from the Apple store and it's time to unbox the one you've been waiting for, the iPhone 7. Wow, can't believe it's on my table. I mean, look at this. Oh my god. This is Apple's high-end phone for 2016. And we do have the black version. I think the jet black one sold out where I am, so let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. This is a beauty on my table. And we're going to have a look at it. Yes, we are. Indeed we are. Oh, so let's see. Designed by Apple in California. And here is the device. So you can see they're still sticking with the similar kind of design here as before. Wow, that looks fantastic. Feels great as well. I mean, seriously, this is some heavy stuff. Wow. So we're going to just basically see what you get in the box as well, and have a look at the where accessories. So you're getting a plug. I think these are these just the normal earpods? I think they are. You do get an adapter now, obviously, because we don't have any headphone jack. You can get the wireless versions if you want, and we're getting a charging cable. So is this a fast charger? Has Apple given us that technology? I'm not 100% sure, but we'll have a look at that later. I'm sure you want to see the actual device here. I'm going to be unpeeling it, and let's see. Wow, it's like taking a wrapping off candy. I mean, look at that. That is a nice colour. So I think the last time they made black iPhones was the iPhone 5. So it's really nice to see they have, brought that back. No headphone jack though, as you can see. So that is quite interesting. You can see this coming with some fingerprints already, so you might want to carry a cloth around for that. But it feels very sturdy, as usual. And I'm going to boot it up here. Apple. So obviously the iPhone 7 Plus is available as well, and I think stock is quite limited where I am. Hopefully I'll get that in. So we do have the setup process here, and where am I? So I think they've made the bezel a little bit smaller, it looks like. Where are we? Somewhere down here. And I might need a SIM, obviously, because we do have that as part of the setup process with iPhones. So let's just put my password in. And let's get that compartment out. Feels very nice and well built. And let's get that SIM in. So sometimes you have to restart the phone. Let's try seeing if we don't have to this time. Activating. Beam me up, Scotty. So obviously we do have Touch ID still. Passcode you can put on. We'll just set it up as a new one. We'll do that later and set that up later. And agree. Set that on later. Send to Apple all my info. Send to the Apple developers. Get started. What's this? You choose your click. Oh, so it's not clicky anymore. Wow, that's interesting. I didn't know about that. Tap an option below, then press the home button to give it a try. To set the one you like best. Okay, that was a bit weird. We're going to carry on anyway. See what the default background is. Oh, it's green. So I think it's the same as before, but we are running iOS 10 here, obviously, which is nice. So you can see that. And what's this GarageBand thing? Okay. So double clicking this does different things, which is interesting. But it looks very similar to obviously previous iPhone software here. How do you go back? I mean, seriously. How do you go back? No, don't call. What are you doing? This is crazy. Seriously, I don't know what I'm doing here. So that's voice control. How do you go back? I'm gonna have to figure this out seriously, because this is quite weird. Like, they've completely changed it. Why did they change something which is perfect? Now it's doing something different when I double tap it. But yeah, you know, I'll figure that out as I go along, because that is quite confusing. So I think we're getting optical image stabilization now with the new iPhone. So, you know, you should be getting some nice camera technology, and that is very good to see. So as I said, I will be checking this one out, figuring out how it works, because I don't really know. I'm trying to go back, but you don't let me go back. Let me go back. There we go. So yeah, just a quick little unboxing here of iPhone 7. I'll be doing some videos on this one, so do stay tuned for that. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.